Get her more connected, more forward. More forward. Good. Now get her connected, then wrap your leg around her. Soften your hand, soften her in your hand. Get her deeper. There's your trot. More connection on the circle. That's your chance to show off her beautiful trot. Not too quick. You got her almost too forward. Get her deeper. Sit back. Follow with your hand. All the way to the rail. Then ask her to trot. Good use of the corner. That was good. Slower tempo with your posting. Lovely. Good. Get her organized. Pick her back up a little bit. More leg. Taking your break. Big marching strides. It's good. Don't pick her up too early. Use this corner as best you can. Oh no, this one's. You're fine. This one's more important. Good, keep her forward. You gotta trot. Get her on the bit. Don't let her poke around with her nose out. You know how to do it. Show it off in your test. Get your heels down. Shorten up your reins. Shorten your reins. Actually shorten your reins. Upper body has to come back. Bring your upper body back. Slow your posting.